the stairwell is tons of extra supplies. So we have tons of tile, which is slate, and then we have, this is actually like it looks like wood laminate, but it's actually a tile as well. So it's a wood tile. It's very heavy. There's quite a bit here in these boxes. So, and there's my owl collection, and they kind of fell over. But, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to save money and build my own shelves along that shelf wall in my room. And I'm going to use some of this and some of that. And then these are old cans. So they do have, one of them does not have paint in it. It's empty. And then these are all filled. I'm just going to use them to hold up these shelves for my Wizard of Oz. And then I'll get creative. Hi, Yorgie. I'll get creative with maybe some of my designer paper and just tape it over this. At least we'll know that if we need any extra primer, mold killing primer, or paint, it will be in my room, and it'll be easy to get to just by removing this heavy slate. And there you go. So this is what the inside of my closet is down here, which is an old cellar from 1974. There's my room. So there's like a little entryway here under the staircase above us. This would be the landing to the living room, like the front door, I should say. And then the stairs to come down the stairs. So yeah, I'm under the stairwell and I'm organizing. I've got arts and craft cabinets in here. I already put the drapery up. And in here are some cubby spaces. Remember that? That used to hang on the wall at the last place. And then we got tubs. This is empty, but we could put more arts and crafts in there. And then I have large boxes in my sliding closet in the bedroom for more crafting. And that's it. So once this is all filled, that is it. We will have plenty to work with. There's my wheelchair if God forbid I ever need it. All right. Peace out, guys.